Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Today this video we show how to change border white in Google Sheets. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Google Sheets software. We can see we already opened the software and here a document we created a data sheet and added the border. Now you want to change the border white, go to the select the range and go to the border option and select the border style option. Now I am decrease the border white, then click all border option and we can see we decrease the border white. You can increase, go back again the border white option and you can increase this border and click all border. Otherwise you can change the color of this border. Now we can see we change border white very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very easily. Thanks for watching.